This next tutorial is going to cover the basics of the camera tool, which can be one of the most useful tools that you use. There's two different ways to use the camera tool, and I'm going to highlight those now. The first thing I want to show you is how the camera tool can be used on a flip chart page. This is the camera tool located right here. And I'm just going to click on that either with the mouse or with the pen tool. And you can see that there are multiple options here. I'm just going to work from the bottom. The full screen snapshot is probably what you would expect. It will include all the things in your dock and any little icons and things that you have on your desktop. The Windows snapshot will actually just get the Active Inspire window or whatever web browser you have open. The freehand and point-to-point are actually really helpful when you're on the board, and I'll give an example of that in a moment. But first, what I'd like to do is to do an area snapshot. So what I'm going to do is I have a piece of an image here, and I have a word here. What I'm just going to do is match those up. And for some reason, let's say I want to group those together. What I might want to do is take an area snapshot. And you can see here that your camera snapshot window comes up, and you have different options. But you also have options to resize here. And let's say you're having trouble figuring out exactly where to go. What I like to do is just drag out a new box. I'm just going to start here and drag and take a picture of both. Now after I've highlighted the area I want to take a picture of, I can hit current page, and you can see that the image actually came into the current page. Now what you'll notice here is that this is the image and this is the word, but now I have an answer key as well. And you can, if I try to click on those, they have been combined because they're actually an image. So this text cannot be edited anymore because it's actually just a picture of the text. So what I'm just going to do is take this, put it on top, and I'm going to send backwards, and we'll see if how many clicks it takes to get this to go to the back. Actually, what we could do, there we go. So what I did is I just removed it, so now behind Moby is actually the answer key, something that you might want to try in your classroom.